good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 12 from verse 49 to verse 56. No peace. Me come for set fire upon the earth, and boy, me wish it light already. But me have to go through some serious sufferation, and me heart heavy till it done. You think me come for bring peace upon earth? No sir, a separation. From now on, if 5 people they in a one family, they might go fight against them one another. 3 against 2 and 2 against 3. They might go fight against them one another. Father against him boy pitney and boy pitney against him father. Mother against daughter and daughter against mother. Mother-in-law against daughter-in-law and daughter-in-law against mother-in-law. Understand the time. Jesus tell the crowd say, as you see cloud a come cross from the west, you say, rain a go fall. And the rain fall for true. Anytime the south breeze a blow, you say, it a go hot. And it hot. Hypocrite. You can tell the weather when you no look pan what go on round you, and when you no look up in the sky. But how come you can't understand what go on in this time? A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.